How to get Telegram stars on Android. This tutorial shows you how to buy stars or earn them for free directly through the app. First, open Telegram on your Android device and tap on Settings from the bottom navigation bar. After that, scroll down and tap on Telegram stars, right below Telegram Premium. From there, you'll see a Buy Stars option. Tap on it to purchase stars directly. Right here, a pop-up will appear showing different packages. 100 stars costs around $2, 250 stars around $5, and 500 stars around $10, with larger packages available as well. Next up, tap on whichever package suits you and follow the on-screen steps to complete the purchase. Moving on, if you'd rather earn stars without spending money, go back to the stars page and tap on Earn Stars. From here, you'll see a list of different programs you can join. Each one shows the percentage of revenue they share and how long the earning period lasts, whether that's lifetime, 1 year, 6 months, or less. After that, tap on any program you're interested in and a pop-up will appear showing details like the app's daily revenue per user and exactly how much you'll earn for each person you refer. Following this, once you find a program you like, tap Join Program to sign up. Finally, share the program's link with your friends and you'll start earning stars whenever someone you referred uses that app. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.